widens out over there, babe. Over there widens out. Stop scratching. Hey, scratchy, scratchy. That grass make you scratchy. You love running free, don't you? Hey, you little wild woolberry. Do you see the platypus down there? Where's Mummy's friend? Where's Mummy's friend gone?
Smarts are going low. Good homes, hot mud, blankets in the cold. Everything's reminding me living life is pretty neat. And across my mind are the reasons why it's a blessing just to be.
Hey, babe. What are you doing? You get Mummy? Here goes Daddy. Trying to put the aerial up to watch the football tonight. There she is. Mommy's coming. I love you. Let's try to do some underwater filming, eh?
oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. It just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise! The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just trying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do? Day and night I'm missing you. Keep running around my head, just impossibility. Oh, think about a moment where I'm lying next to you. It's like a fantasy. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. It just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise! The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do? Down by the river, where the moon shines bright, we were dancing, catching fireflies at night. Guitars were strumming, banjos were playing, fiddles were singing, hearts were swaying. Oh, the summer nights and bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree. Southern love and bluegrass by the sea.
So this must be the other camp, rock pool. I think there's a rock pool 1 and rock pool 2. And Kenny said there's 12 sites here. And there's also a one on top of a hill. So pretty. Very, very pretty. And if you're here at the rock pool camping, you've got your own little rock fire. And that cowboy doesn't come with it, he's mine. And the dog's mine too. Ruby! The wild ruby rose. Hey, and all the rivers run. This would be another good spot to do your slow-mo on your phone, Kenny G. Your advice on this camp spot?
Hey, this is the prettiest camp spot I think we've been to. It's just lovely, it's spectacular.
It's secluded.
Secluded.
Ruby, get down from there, come on. In nature.
In nature, it's just so pristine.
Peaceful.
Peaceful, just so picturesque as well.
You hear the babbling brook at night.
Yeah.
Oh, what about your company?
Oh, beautiful company as well. I get the kick in the ribs every half an hour. Stop snoring. Yeah.
Your snoring strips help, just wear 3.
Yeah.
Show them what Ruby did to your hat, babe.
Yeah. My favourite hat, Ruby chewed it.
Got a bit hungry.
Give it a bit of character.
You're going to do a motion shot there? Yeah. Ruby, don't go near the edge. Don't be an attention seeker, come on. And there's heaps of birds here. Parrots and rosellas and kookaburras and little, what are they called? Wrens and turkeys. Take a photo. I got the Google Pro 8. And Kenny's got the Samsung. Oh, good girl. What's your phone, Kenny? Samsung?
Samsung
Ultra Slim 22. He's got this slow mode on his phone. It looks really cool.
Nice, but I think I picked the right spot, eh?
I think you did pick the right spot, babe. I thought I picked this one.
She wants to go Edinburgh. Yeah, no. It's going to be a shame to leave this place, but
We've still got another night here. We'll spend all day tomorrow down here, make a little picnic. Hey, boo-boo. Remember I said it must be deep because the little one couldn't detect it yesterday?
oh, look at that.
you got there, Kenny?
Yeah, I've got some, what are they? Sweet chili and plum sausages from Premier Meats at Tentafield. I seen another YouTube and an old mate went in there and said they were good, and I'll tell you what, they were beautiful. Yesterday, the day before, we got some garlic, lamb and mint and honey sausages. They were beautiful. So I went back yesterday and I got 1.5 kilos of sausages. I got him to Cryvac and Rory did it, no troubles at all.
And what was the lamb things you got me?
Lamb
Shish kebabs?
Like lamb shish kebab things they
Gluten free?
are. They're gluten free and Cherie loves them, and so does Ruby the dog. Yeah, no, really nice. There it is there. Oh, Rory. Yeah, no, he won some awards as well for sausages, so if you're in Tentafield, pop in and see him.